is a rival love show. Um, 9 years old. I'm turning 10 May, 14th of May, and I live in South Africa. And your food is so nice. There's like a place in South Africa where you can go buy food. What's Indian food? Oh, yum, yum, yum. Butter chicken. Mm. Oh, that's liquor. I even lost for it now, but I can't get it because I'm at the house, and it's a drive. Yeah, I went with my dad one time. I'm looking for it. Yeah. And my favorite color is red. You have to know that. You're making me hungry just thinking of Indian food.